Should I repair or replace my heating and air conditioning system? Let's weigh the options. The first question you need to ask yourself, how old is my HVAC system? The typical lifespan of a furnace is 15 to 20 years, where the typical lifespan of an air conditioning system is about 10 to 15 years. So keep this in mind while making this decision. The second question is, how long is it going to take to fix the unit, and are the parts even available? Third is cost effectiveness. While a repair today may cost less, it may only buy you a few more years down the road. Everyone's situation is a little bit different. At the end of the day, it's your decision. Your technician will come out and provide you with all the information and options that you need to make the best decision. We support you here at Western. Call or text to schedule today.